Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix ISDone.dll and Unarc.dll errors that can appear during large game installations. These errors usually happen because of corrupted files, insufficient RAM, low disk space, or antivirus interference. First, check that your downloaded files are not corrupted. If a verification option is available, run it before installing. Corrupted or incomplete files are one of the main causes of these errors. If needed, re-download the installer from a reliable source. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows Defender while installing, because security programs can sometimes block setup files. Also, right-click the setup file and choose Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues. Make sure you have enough free storage space on the drive where you're installing the game. It's recommended to have extra space beyond the game's required size. You should also close all background applications to free up RAM. If the problem continues, increase your virtual memory. Go to System Settings, open Advanced System Settings, then Performance Settings, and adjust the paging file size manually. Restart your computer after applying changes, then try installing again. These steps usually fix ISDone.dll and Unarc.dll installation errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.